Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get special profile icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Alright, certain theme collection will reward you with icons if you manage to collect the cards required for them. These icons are used to customize your profile in Pokemon Trading Card Game Pocket or PTCG Pocket. Alright, here are the list of items and how do we get them. First one here is the Pikachu icon. You can unlock this one by just basically starting the game. Alright, including the Eve icon, Snorlax icon, Slowpoke icon, and the Arika icon, and also Giovanni icon. Electrode icon, on the other hand, will be unlocked if you collect 3 Electrode cards. Also, the Gardevoir icon will be unlocked when you collect 5 Gardevoir cards. Charizard icon if you collect 5 Charizard cards. Mewtwo icon if you collect 5 Mewtwo cards. And the Meowth icon. This will be unlocked if you purchase it from the event shop. Alright, and that is it. If this video helps them, please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.